Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SEO Audit with Sitebulb for US businesses, detailed guide step by step clearly. Download Sitebulb from the official website. Choose the version that fits your operating system. Install the software by following the installation prompts. Once installed, open Sitebulb on your device. Start a new audit by clicking on the New Project button. Select the option to enter a URL. Input the URL of the website you want to audit. Configure the settings based on your audit needs. You can adjust the crawl depth and the user agent settings. If needed, set authentication details if the site requires it. Click Start Audit to initiate the scanning process. Wait for the software to gather data on the website. The duration will vary depending on the size of the site. Once the audit is complete, navigate to the dashboard. Review the summary of critical issues highlighted in the report. Explore different sections like performance, accessibility, and SEO. Drill down into specific issues for detailed analysis. Use the suggestions provided to improve website performance. Export the audit report in your preferred format. Share the report with your team or stakeholders for further action. Regularly schedule audits to monitor ongoing SEO health. Stay updated with the latest features by checking Sitebulb's website. Use this detailed guide to enhance your SEO strategies effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.